in today's video, we're going to be discussing about some tips and some tricks on how to effectively school well, on how to effectively maximize and also enjoy your undergraduate years. It's not for you to just go to school and just be a student. You just go to class, you come back, you sleep, you write exams, you pass, you can even get A's, but then you are not maximizing your undergraduate years effectively. In today's video, we are going to be talking about maximizing your undergraduate years, because I think that if you're able to maximize your undergraduate years very well, that is your time while in the university pursuing your dream career or any passion of yours, is going to be very easy after you are done with that phase of life. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing about some tips and some tricks on how to effectively school well. So today's video is going to be specifically for undergraduates. The first tip I will give on maximizing your undergraduate years is to do a thorough check on what the university is about. How are their alumni students faring? Are they doing well in their areas of life? Is the school competitive? By competitive, I mean healthy competition between the students, because having healthy competition in a school can also help you maximize your undergraduate years. Second tip that I will give on how to maximize your undergraduate years is for you to make a list of 10 people in the field that you want to pursue after you're done with your university. So these 10 people, they're not just random people, they are 10 people who are succeeding in the field that you want to pursue after you're done with your university. And I want you to draw out about 5 similarities or a minimum of 3 similarities that you can notice between these 10 people. So when you draw out these similarities, I want you to analyze the similarities and ask yourself, what do they have in common? What have they done similarly for them to be succeeding in these their careers? The third tip on maximizing your undergraduate years effectively is that you should search for internships. You see internships, immediately you enter university, your first year, do an internship. Your second year, do an internship. Third year, fourth year, fifth year, till when you leave university, I will always advise you to do an internship, no matter how short the internship is. Even though it's for a duration of 2 months, please do an internship. If you cannot do an internship, please volunteer. It does not matter how short the volunteering duration is. Please volunteer. And if you are volunteering or if you are doing an internship, please do things that are in line with what you want to do with your future career goals. Somebody like me now, while I was in the university, I was applying to internships and volunteering opportunities in organizations such as McKinsey. Yes, I think McKinsey, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, spelled as MCKINE. Sorry, Abi, right? MCKINSEY. Yes, that's that organization. So applying to organizations like McKinsey offering internships, and it was after I finished university that I realized that what was wrong with me? That I was just applying to the wrong organizations. Instead of me to be applying to organizations such as Save the Children, the Plan International, that are offering internships in my field, I was applying to the wrong internships and to the wrong volunteering opportunities. And this was because I lacked clarity, which is also something that I'm going to be discussing in the next video. Clarity, it is very important for anything that you want to do in life. The fourth tip that I will give is Map out a list of 5 organizations in your field that are global. I want you to write them down and then start stalking them on their careers page. Start stalking those pages, put notifications on for when internships are available. For the last tip, I will say always be ahead of your peers in any area. Always be ahead of your peers. If in your class you are being taught about a topic, that should not be the only topic that you should be learning about. Go to the internet, search, ask ChatGTP this thing that I want to do in the future. What do they require from the person? Don't learn things that your peers are learning. Learn more than them. That is it for today's video, and I hope that today's video will help you as an undergraduate to maximize your undergraduate years effectively, so that when you're done with the university, I don't want you to say, oh, there is no job, oh, I am confused, oh, I lack clarity, oh, I don't know what to do. Don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and to also comment on any other thing that you think that undergraduates should know, or you could also comment on any challenges that you're having as an undergraduate student. Then I could make a video about it. So bye.